In a split second, everything can change on the road. And when it does, you'll want the truth on your side. Whether you're a daily commuter, a rideshare driver, or planning your next road trip, a reliable dashcam isn't just an accessory, it's your digital eyewitness. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 dashcams of 2025. From crystal clear night vision to wide-angle views and built-in GPS tracking. If peace of mind, protection, and high-quality video are what you're after, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. Number 5. 70My A810. Looking for a 4K dashcam that delivers sharp video and solid features without draining your wallet? Meet the 70My A810. This sleek, no-nonsense camera brings you front and rear protection with impressive clarity, all wrapped in a minimalist design that blends right into your windshield. Equipped with a 4K front-facing lens and a 1080p rear camera, the A810 captures every lane change, license plate, and unexpected moment with striking detail. Thanks to HDR technology, the camera handles challenging lighting with ease, making sure important details stand out, even in tough conditions. Setup is refreshingly simple. The interface may not win awards for design, but it's bright, functional, and easy to navigate using the tactile buttons. And while the companion app isn't fancy, it gets the job done for tweaking settings and saving clips on the go. The real win here. Advanced noise reduction technology helps highlight finer details like license plate text and road signs, making this camera especially valuable in the event of an incident. If you're searching for a smart, budget-friendly upgrade from basic dashcams, the 70My A810 is a strong contender, offering a premium viewing experience without the premium price tag. Number 4. Vantrue N4. If full protection is what you're after, the Vantrue N4 has you covered, literally, from every angle. This 3-channel dashcam system records the front of your car, the interior cabin, and the rear simultaneously, offering a 360-degree view of your driving environment. The front camera captures crisp 2.5K resolution, while both the interior and rear cameras offer full HD clarity, perfect for catching every detail, day or night. Thanks to wide-angle lenses with minimal distortion, you won't miss a thing. And for those late-night rides or rideshare duties, the cabin camera includes infrared night vision, ensuring clear footage even in complete darkness. With its compact screen and picture-in-picture display, you can easily monitor all 3 views at once. And features like motion detection and collision sensing give you extra peace of mind, automatically saving footage when it matters most. Whether you're commuting solo or driving passengers for Uber or Lyft, the Vantrue N4 offers premium, all-around protection in a sleek, reliable package. No complicated setup, just smart coverage where you need it most. For drivers who want maximum coverage without breaking the bank, this is a dash cam that truly delivers. Number 3. Vantrue E360. Imagine a dash cam that does more than just record your drives. One that captures everything around you and can even step outside the car with you. That's exactly what the Vantrue E360 offers. It's not just a dash cam. It's a 360-degree adventure camera with the flexibility to follow you beyond the windshield. With 5.2K 360-degree video, the E360 provides a panoramic view of both the road ahead and the interior cabin, all at once. Whether you're documenting a scenic road trip or keeping tabs on every angle of your vehicle, this cam doesn't miss a beat. And here's where it gets creative. The main unit detaches from the mount and transforms into a handheld 360-degree camera, complete with a selfie stick, perfect for capturing content on the go. Its design is sleek and modern, and the magnetic mount makes removing it a breeze when inspiration strikes. You're no longer limited to just vehicle footage. Your dashcam becomes a portable storytelling tool for whatever's happening around you. Now, while it may not be the most traditional choice for day-to-day driving security, the Vantrue E360 is ideal for creators, travelers, and tech enthusiasts who want more than just road footage. If you're someone who likes versatility and capturing moments from every angle, this unique hybrid camera is ready to roll. Number 2. Viofo A329S. When it comes to crystal clear dashcam footage, the Viofo A329S sets a new standard. It captures ultra-detailed 4K video at 60 frames per second, ensuring fast-moving scenes stay sharp and smooth, whether you're navigating city traffic or cruising the open road. What really sets this camera apart is its storage versatility. In addition to traditional microSD cards, the A329S supports external SSD storage via USB-C, giving you massive capacity and enhanced durability. This means you can store days, even weeks of footage without worrying about space, all while keeping the SSD safely tucked away in your glove box. Its Wi-Fi 6 connectivity offers blazing fast clip transfers to your smartphone or tablet. No more waiting around to review or share important footage. It's ready when you are. Combined with dual-channel recording, you get complete front and rear protection with incredible clarity, even at night. The intuitive companion app makes it easy to fine-tune your settings or view recordings with just a few taps, while built-in GPS keeps a detailed record of your location and speed. Perfect for insurance or incident reports. If you're looking for a dash cam that balances high-end features, smart storage solutions, and next-gen connectivity, the Viofo A329S delivers in every category. It's a future-ready solution for drivers who want peace of mind, performance, and complete control on every journey. Number 1. Escort Max Cam 360C. What if your dash cam could do more than just record the road? The Escort Max Cam 360C reimagines what a car camera can be, combining a smart dash cam with a high-performance radar detector, all in one sleek device. This is not just a camera, it's a driver's co-pilot, built for those who crave total awareness on the road. While most dash cams focus solely on recording footage, the MaxCam 360C takes it further by also alerting you to radar threats and speed traps in real time. Whether you're commuting daily or hitting the open highway, this dual-purpose system gives you both protection and perspective. The built-in camera captures detailed footage in 1440p, and its wide field of view ensures that nothing important gets left out of frame. But more than just video clarity, the MaxCam 360C is about situational clarity, helping you stay informed and in control even when the unexpected happens. Yes, it's a premium pick, and yes, it's designed for drivers who want the best of both worlds. A sharp dash cam paired with advanced radar detection. If you're the kind of person who takes driving seriously and prefers a fully integrated setup, the Escort MaxCam 360C is your ultimate co-pilot. Whether you're looking to protect yourself legally, enhance your driving safety, or just relive your favorite road moments, these dash cams are the best in the game. Which one fits your needs best? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more smart driving tech, and hit the bell so you never miss a gear shifting review. Drive safe and stay sharp out there.